Bitcoin was rejected at the 31.5K level. Where are we gonna go to from here? How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Blitz Show. Thank you for being here with me today. I really appreciate every single one of you beautiful souls. And make no mistake that I've got beautiful energy to cover for you here in the video. I am just going to continue to get into the position and build on my position so that we can take a beautiful, nice journey to the top side. But anyways, guys, we were rejected. So let's go and see why we were rejected, because I did mention to you in this video, which was posted about 3 hours ago, which I actually did for you very early this morning and only got out 3 hours ago because that's what kind of day I've had out here. But nonetheless, you guys are getting the videos and you're getting your quality. So let me know if you're enjoying it down in the comments below. Thanks for being here on my channel. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Now, so today, it finally showed. Hey, well, like I said to you, I didn't feel like it was going in this video. I didn't feel like it was going to go right through the roof. But guess what? Once again, manipulation of numbers, super easy for them to do constantly. Initial jobless claims increased slightly. Trade deficit increased ever so slightly. But the ADP employment came in at 497,000 jobs this month, compared to last month's 267,000. So they added 230,000 jobs to the American market. That's very interesting to hear that, considering that some companies have actually bailed and been firing, retrenching people over time. But so this is very interesting, right? So here, I mean, look at this. We haven't been this high since July last year. So interesting that July is actually a month where you can see that they do love to throw these numbers out like crazy. This was the C19 little hiccup, but most often than not, you can see here that this is what happens during these moments. Okay, so July last year was 458. Now we're 40,000 jobs higher than this time last year, and actually higher than all the rest of the months from this time last year. So that's very interesting. Where do the jobs come from? Where are they going? Especially considering that AI is disturbing the job space and actually taking a lot of people's jobs. Now, you guys can see here 497,000. Change from last month is 86%. So they added 86% more jobs this month. That is insane, guys. The average growth rate of their jobs is minus 702%. And basically last month's value was 267,000. Change from 1 year ago was 6.8%. And the frequency is monthly, of course. So very, very interesting to see here what happened and the craziness in that. And that's exactly why we saw the rejection in Bitcoin. Now let's go and have a quick squiz at Bitcoin, because the dollar, what did the dollar do? It had like a little bit of a happy bounce over here, but guys, not really. It's not like it's going anywhere. It's still in a simple position. So if you bailed out of your trades and you got like afraid, that's okay, because essentially if you did enter into a trade here, boom, you rode it all the way up and then a hard sell-off right there, right back down to your entry. I get it. But honestly, the RSI hasn't reset yet, so I'm not sure what will happen here, but we are now currently below the breakout level. So for me, this is considering to be a little bit of a fake out pattern that is busy happening and unfolding at the moment. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'd love to hear my community's thoughts, because if I look at the RSI hasn't really done much, but the 4 hour candle pumped and closed above the previous candle in volume and stayed there. So for me, if this 4 hour candle looks a little bit like this and kind of just then makes its little move back up, I would say that Bitcoin would probably start to creep up slowly towards the 37,500 target that I have previously been talking about on my other videos. And if you haven't seen them, make sure to go and watch them, because they are even better than this one. Guys, you've been a real pleasure on my channel. Thank you for being here. Very, very simple. Make sure that you're not getting pulled out of your Bitcoin from any sort of manner. If I have to say to you right now that, I mean, there's a bit of bearish divergence if I really look at it, but yeah, the RSI is already on the way to resetting. So for me, I feel as though we're testing this little zone once again. The MACD is looking a little bit tired, and the MACD could force us down. Yes, it could, and that would be okay for a nice reaccumulation bounce up. Otherwise, like I've said previously, we could come back down to this 26,500 zone where we had all of the support down here. So there are multiple options that can hang up. Guys, if you are in a trade, just remember what we did down here. We actually got into a trade here. We got into some more there. We got into some more there. We got into a little bit more there, and we added a little bit there to our position. And eventually we took this trade up, and we took some profits right there because this was the level of the target in our trade. Didn't I say that to you guys in my video? Yes, I did. So I hope you guys have been enjoying watching the channel. And if you are going to trade these, make sure you use my Bybit link down below. I would really appreciate it if you did that, because I get a little bit of crypto, you get a little bit of crypto, and we all share in the fun of trading and making money for ourselves and our family, right? So thanks very much for being here on the channel. Appreciate every single last one of you. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and remember to watch this video right here.